Hey everybody, welcome back. We are talking still today about how to form visual groups in a PowerPoint presentation. We talked about text, we talked about colors. So today we are going to be talking about shapes. Do 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 do. Let's get started. Okay, so for this slide, I wanted to talk about the order of objects on your slide. So you can see that this circle shape is now behind this rectangle shape, right? So this applies to text boxes, shapes, anything, any element on your slide, you can change the order in which it is layered on top of another object. So let's take a look at what this means. So when you right click on your shape, or when you go into the tool ribbon for shape format, you have access to all of these tools. The alignment tools are over here, and you have these bring forward, bring backwards tools. So that means you can easily stack one object on top of the other, or vice versa, put it behind another object. Okay, there's actually a keyboard control shortcut for that, which is Control, Shift, right bracket, and left bracket. And I use these quite often when I'm designing PowerPoints, just to bring it up or bring it back or whatever. Okay. So the other tool that almost nobody knows about but are really, really cool are these tools right beside where it says Insert Shape and Edit the Shape Points. It's these Merge Shape buttons, and you need to have more than two shapes selected or two shape elements on your slide selected for these to be active, for you to be able to click on them. So let's take a look at what these are, because you can do some really cool stuff with this. So the first one is Union. This takes the shape that's at the front and applies the color and the outline to anything else that it's touching to combine it, which is pretty cool. The next one is Combine. It's going to apply those the same color and shape, but it's going to leave the section of where it intersects this weird color. But you can get some really cool, funky designs this way. Okay, Fragment does this. It will take the color and outline of the shape that's in the back, the backmost layer, as the default for the rest of the merge. Then you've got Intersect. It will just take that piece, that little shaded area in your Venn diagram where both shapes meet. It's just going to take that piece to create a shape, which is really cool. And then the Subtract, this is how you can get some of those really beautiful graphic elements with the just the graphic design elements. So they'll take a circle and it looks like the circle took a bite out of my rectangle, right? So you're subtracting the frontmost object from the back. And that's how that works. So that's it. That's all I've got for you for That's it. That's all I've got for you for the basics of shapes in PowerPoint. So you can apply those same principles to just about anything. To text boxes, the fill, so the fill and the stroke of a text box, for shapes, even for icons. Icons are nothing if not a bunch of just grouped shapes put together, right? These are just shapes, circles and lines. These are just shapes, circles and subtracted and merged different other shapes. That's what makes up icons. You can apply this to lines, but lines are only subject to the outline piece. Lines don't have a fill. And you can also apply it to the borders of any image or even a video. So that's how that works. That's all I've got for the basics of shapes and shape elements on your slides. Like and follow for more.